This video is sponsored by Sony. Sony has a cloud service called C Media Cloud that is created for content creators or storytellers, for actually everyone, but mostly for content creators, especially if your platform reached a certain size. You know you need a place to upload your footage to. You need a place to gather the footage when you collab with others so everyone can upload into one tidy location and everyone knows what's going on. And you need a place when you start doing brand deals, sponsored videos, where you upload your footage and then they check it and then they give you notes about change this, leave that, this is good, this needs improvement. And for a brand, that has to be done super easily so you get the feedback very quickly and you can do your fixes, upload the video and be done with it. The great thing about this platform is the basic version is free and it comes with 10 gigabytes of storage and almost all the features you may need. Hi, my name is Faruk and I've been creating content since Flintstones. Today I want to talk to you about 7 things I think you're gonna love about Sony C Media Cloud. Let's begin with uploading, because when it comes to these kind of platforms, the uploading is always the thing that turns people off. I stopped using the cloud services because uploading always takes forever. And here you can see that my download is fine, but my upload speed, especially for someone who uploads a lot to YouTube, is not good enough. But that is what we have. This is the service we get over here. So if I go and select any file I have, let's select this one. And I can drop it here and I can start uploading. But this is not the only way I can upload. I also can use a service called Aspera. And Aspera requires an app install, but it delivers different features like uploading a folder and things like that. Meanwhile, you don't need it. You can just drag and drop and upload it this way as well. And as you can see, it is almost as fast as my upload, which makes me really happy. And then we go into the processing and it's done very fast. Also, as you can see, this is not just for videos. If we go into my Sony folder, as you can see, we have my photos here, or I even actually uploaded my LUTs. So you can upload anything you like over here and then get it wherever you are. And that's what matters when you're a content creator. For example, let's say you went to CES, you went to NAB, you're not in your place and you need that LUT. You don't have it with you. There you go. It's on your C Media Cloud waiting for you. By the way, this isn't just for Sony cameras. You can upload footage from any camera you like and still use this platform. Now, I started with upload, but let's look at this user interface because I really like this user interface. It is super clean, easy to understand. My folders are here, very nicely organized. I can put folders inside folders, which is great. See how clear this is? My Sony stuff is here. Let's go to Afila, or if I want to go to the photo I got in New York, as you can see, I have the RAW version and I have the HIF. I can search stuff. These are my folders. These are my favorites. And then I have recently added, I have my trash can. I have my media boxes, which we're going to talk about in a minute. And then work sessions and then file requests, which is one of the best features this platform has. So let's go here and then select this clip. Double tap on it and immediately it is ready to play. It's interesting how they say what happens in Vegas. Yeah, great. But let's see if I want to take something from here and I want to post it to Instagram, right? I can go here, create clip. This gorgeous user interface appears. Let's say I want to take these beauty shots. Let's see. Yeah, this is where it ends. That's good. And then beginning, that's good, I guess. Let's check it, preview. That's great. So over here, I can select social media, 1080p, 720p, and then general. But I can change the aspect ratio to portrait. And it says like Instagram story, TikTok, and whatever. And then you can have fit into the frame or fill the frame. What that does is it zooms into the footage and then fills the frame. And then you say next. Let's call this for TikTok, save clip, and it generates the clip. Meanwhile, also, what we have here is the proxy version. And if you don't know what proxy is, usually when you're working with, to me, if I'm working with an 8K footage, I usually use proxy. Proxy is the same footage in a lower quality that doesn't put a lot of weight on your video editing program. It creates proxies by itself, and you can download these and then you can start editing using the proxy. Now, while this is rendering this footage, let's talk about something that is probably one of my favorite features of C Media, and that is requesting file. Whenever we go to an event, we're all content creators are together, we're shooting the same thing. Sometimes we are helping each other, we're shooting for them while the other one's doing something. In my case, when we went to Kondo, I was taking a photo of Afila, Sony's car. And while I was doing that, Justine and Jenna were helping me. They were shooting videos of me taking the photo of Afila, which is this photo. So if I want to make, a little bit of behind the scenes clip and stuff like that, I need that footage from them. So what I can do is I can create a new file request, give it a file request name, write a note, define a folder the files are going to get uploaded to, define an expiration date for the request, and then either enter an email address or just copy and share the link. And the nice thing about this is even after you create it, you can still go back and edit settings like the folder that the files are going to be uploaded to. You can see in real time as the other side is uploading, you can see how many files are coming, the percentage of the upload, and it works like magic. You can use this for collabs, but you can use this for brand deals, sponsored videos. You can ask them to send you the B-roll they have, and then you can take it from here, wherever you are, if it doesn't fit in to an email or stuff like that. Now that's a file for you. What if you want to share a file, a video file with someone? That is very simple too. What you do is you go to, let's find a video over here, my Sony FE16-25 video review. Go here and then we hit share and then share in a new media box. Here we can name it. It's already there. We can put a message. Check the video out for mistakes. We can select the type of media box we want to use. It can be public, anyone with a link can access, or protected, where they need a password, or secure, where only the invited people can access. Let's say protected with an email password, and let's put a password here. Password. And then our content is selected, and then we hit create, and there you go. You copy the link, it's done, and the media box is created right here. And the thing is, you can see what is happening immediately. For example, let's go to this. Let's go here. As you can see on the right side, I can see who did what, who uploaded what happened, which gives you full control of what is going on. Also, I forgot to mention, if we look at the files, on the right side, we see all sorts of information regarding that file, which is fantastic. And then we can go here, we can see the activity regarding that file. We can edit the metadata, and we can add notes. And the best thing about this is the comments. So let's say you're gonna send this video to someone and then they're gonna check it out. They can go to comments, and for example, let's say they're watching it. Let's say I didn't like the shine over here. You can draw, if you like too much shine, and then you can add that there. Or what you can do is you can select a pin and then you can drop somewhere and say over here. When the client puts in their notes, or when you put in your notes, when the other side is watching, maybe you have a video editor that's going to watch this, they can click here and then they can see what you're talking about. When you click on that, you see it's so you're talking about there. When you click on this, they see you're talking about this. This is so much easier than someone going and writing times and minutes and seconds and then describe where the problem is. So this is very easy and it makes things a lot faster. I love this. And not only for video, by the way. Let's go to a photo over here. Click here. Fix this. As you can see, it's a little tilted. and it needs fixing. One of my favorite things about this platform is archiving. This feature comes with the Pro and higher tiers. And the beauty of archiving is when you archive a file, you can free up your active storage space. As you can see, I have 2 videos here that are archived because you can archive them in 2 different ways. Standard takes 24 to 36 hours to archive and then 3 to 6 hours to restore it. And the deep archive takes 36 to 48 and then 10 to 12 hours to restore. But as you can see, you can still play it back. You can still view it. You can still get the lower resolution versions. You can just download them without waiting for restore. Or you can just hit restore and it restores it and then you can download it. This is great because when you're doing videos, sometimes you need footage from the previous videos. You can just get it this way because, you know, if you go and download your video back from YouTube, you know what happens. Right? You know, it's terrible. Now let's talk about the final thing, which is price. So they have the free version, and with the free version, you get 10 gigabytes of total storage and unlimited file requests and share links, which is fantastic. You can do collaborative review sessions. It's for 1 member and 1 workspace. Fantastic. With the Pro, you get 2 terabytes of storage and advanced file and folder transfers. If you get Team, you get 3 terabytes of storage and share link tracking feature added on top of it. And most importantly, you can add unlimited team members to your account. If you get the business, it's $249 and that's 6 terabytes of storage. And you get unlimited workspaces, projects on top of unlimited users. If you get enterprise, which you have to call them to hear about the price, it is 12 terabytes and it has a lot of features, including media log, rough cut storyboarding tool, live stream support, and more. In the end, this is a very useful tool for storytellers, for content creators, no matter what you're doing. If you're doing it online, if you're sharing files, if you're sending files, if you're doing brand deals, sponsorships, this is a really nice solution and it's very promising. So check it out. I think you may like it. If you're interested, I have a promo code in the description box below that will give you 2 months free Pro Tier C Media Cloud. And see how it works out for you. And let me know in the comment section below what you think about C Media. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts. Once again, thank you so much, Sony, for sponsoring this video. And until I see you the next time, take really good care of yourselves and hoşça kalın.